sa bato nila. Bumaba kami galing dyan. Tumang kami doon. Pumunta dito. Pero syempre dapat may shortcut dyan. Pero wala eh. So, yan po yung town nila. Ilan piraso lang po yung bahay. Yan. Tapos yan na yung beach dyan oh. Ayan oh. Dyan. Tapos, pero dito tayo dadaan. Yan. Yan. Mga bahay dito. Nasa tubig. Naka-view. Oo. Tapos, ayan. Pwede kang bumaba dito. Lumangoy ka hanggat gusto mo. Ang liit lang kasi ng island. Tapos, ilan lang yung bahay. Oo. Tapos, ikot ka ng ikot, diba? Ikot ka. So, dito tayo ngayon. Hanap tayo ng ano. Ayan yung mga boats ng mga may-ari ng bahay dito. Yung mga maliit lang na boat. Ayan. Yung iba doon. Iba nasa tubig. Na bahay. Yan. At nakatahimik. Tapos ang daming tubig. Ayan. Ayan yung simbahan nila. Oh. Yan. Tapos yung may beach. Punta tayo dito. Ito yung yan yung simbahan nila dyan. Tapos yan yung isang bahay dyan. Ang ganda oh. May sarili silang beach dyan. Ang cute diba? Oh. Tapos ang linis ng tubig dyan. Yan. Oo. Ayan. Pero syempre mas maganda yung view kung nasa taas ka. Diba? So yan po yung island ng Mavic. Alam po na nakatira dito may ganyan sila. Kasi yan yung sasakyan nila. Kasi pag mapunta ka pa doon malapit lang diba? Ikot-ikot. Cute no? Sige, thanks guys. See you sa next video ko. This shop here, there's no no people, and you just have to write.
How do you buy?
This one you pay for Vips.
What is Vips?
It's like mobile pay.
Do you have Vips?
No.
How are we then gonna pay?
So we pay, and they have here a jam
Hvorfor er der vekselpenge, når man ikke kan købe med?
and homemade ice cream.
Last time we were here, Odin, he got to sit in the tractor because the farmer came and yeah.
Lots of eggs.
Er det nok, det der retninger?
So we get eggs. Wow.
Så er det meget godt. Så lad os købe på det.
Hello.
There's wool and
Fjord.
25.
Nå.
So there's the shop. Cold. And super nice. The view is amazing. This is where the rose, the coffee. We make the coffee here. They roast the coffee here, and you can see it here. They have very cozy. Have a coffee where you can have. Since that we love coffee, see. So you can, where you can, smells good. So you can see people. You sit down. The entrance is where they roast their own coffee. Yeah. So that's the machine, roasting machine. So we come here to drink coffee. They have their own coffee machine. See, coffee. Yeah, they have also garden. You can go out. It's beautiful and it tastes.
Shall we do our time now?
Let's go.
Huh?
It looks hard.
There's a couple of ones that went. You can take it.
Så dere kan sitte hvor dere vil dere sitte på torget.
Ja.
Så ja, bare dere kan det. Og så skal jeg bare ha